Hello fabulous people, I'm Donyetta. Welcome to my YouTube channel Dyetta, where we discuss all things fabulous. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the May Delta box, and so I can't wait to unbox it, see what's inside, as well as show you. Before we get too far ahead of ourselves, if you are a new viewer, I want to say welcome. I hope that you enjoy your time here. I consider my YouTube channel to be a lifestyle YouTube channel. I cover everything from health, beauty, natural hair care, travel vlogs, weekly vlogs, fashion, you name it. So if you think that's something that you would enjoy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you'll never miss the upload of a new and fabulous video. If you are a return viewer, I appreciate you. Thank you for rocking with me. Now with that being said, again, this video will be the unboxing of the May Delta box. The Delta box is an exclusive subscription-based box for members of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. There will be a link in the description below. If you use that link, you can save $10 off of your first box once you sign up, and you'll see all the details once you get to the website. You can pick your box frequency. You can also pick the size for the clothing items that will be in some of the monthly boxes. So let's get into it. I have the box here. So I've already cut it open so that we can get inside. And if you do subscribe, you will see that the box, it comes packaged very nicely, and then inside you see the Delta box logo. It says 4 sorors of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. I always love this tissue paper. Each month's box also comes with a card that lets you know the theme. This month's theme for May is exceedingly abundantly and above all. That comes from Ephesians chapter 3 verse 20. And what is in the box? It says we have a 2-piece Delta Sigma Theta mock knit short set. So let's see. So I can already tell off the gate, I love the color. I love the khaki with the contrast of the crimson Greek letters Delta Sigma Theta. The material is very, very nice. Okay, so these are the shorts. They appear to be Bermuda style shorts, so like the longer length. It reminds me of sweater material, but I think it still would be, you know, a nice at least spring, early summer, or even like when the summer is starting to transition into fall, when the months aren't as warm. And the waistband of the shorts have a very thick elastic band in it, so that should be comfortable for you. Again, this is made out of I guess what I would call more like a light sweater material. And so you can see, and for reference, my Delta box subscription size is a medium. I'm a 5'5" young lady, and so just in case, like I wear most of my shirts, I can wear in either a size small, and I'm just talking about clothing like outside of the Delta box. I can wear a size small or a medium, and then my pants, if we're doing like letter sizing, I would probably get a medium in those as well, or if it was a number size, I would get probably either a 10 or a 12. And so here is the top. So again, you have your mock net made out of that same material, and then you can see more close the Greek letters Delta Sigma Theta across the chest. The sleeves also have the same pattern that the bottom of the shorts had, and so you can see that detail and that quality stitching right there. So a very cute set. I can't wait to wear it. I don't have anything like this, not just Delta Sigma Theta paraphernalia, but I think in my wardrobe in general. So I am excited about incorporating this into my wardrobe and jazz it up. And so what I will do is I will also insert either a picture or a video clip so that you guys can see the outfit on me and get a better idea of how it fits, especially because you might be curious as to what size and what size you should get should you choose to subscribe to the Delta box. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was useful for you. Again, there will be a link in the description below where you can click that link, and if you subscribe Sorors, you will get $10 off of your first box. I will catch you guys on the next video. Until then, stay fabulous.